Topeka has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Clay County, Northeastern Cloud County, Southeastern Republic County, Southwestern Washington County until 10:45 p.m. At 10:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Aurora and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards included developing tornado and quarter-size hail. This is radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged.